questions on our Facebook Live segment behind the scenes here, but I want to talk to you at home. I got to tell you, we had many years ago, back in 1958, a very historic event here in the Midlands of South Carolina. For example, over at the Columbia Metropolitan Airport site, about 8 inches of snow, ranking in our top 10 of all time for that site. Not the case today, not the case in the 7-day forecast, but kind of a nice reflection of the past, and perhaps we could see something like that maybe in the years to come. This week, though, cool and relatively calm weather. Cold nights, though. This is going to be one of those weeks you want to bring the pets inside, the dogs and the cats, of course. And a lot of people have been asking me whether or not any sort of rain or precipitation in general is going to be returning. I'll talk about that here in a little bit. Notice some clouds, though, particularly high clouds are going to be filtering into the Midlands of South Carolina overnight into tomorrow. Right now, relatively clear, and we are not experiencing any sort of precipitation. What we are experiencing, though, are temperatures ranging from the upper 30s to the mid 40s in many spots. The warmest location, believe it or not, is Saluda. You guys are normally the coldest spot. Currently, you're at 46 degrees. And compared to the same time last night, you're 11 degrees warmer. Aiken, 14 degrees warmer. Winsboro, you're only 5 degrees warmer, but every degree makes a difference, right? And our wind coming out of the southwest, bringing with it additional warmer air. And winds will be picking up tomorrow. I want to mention that just in case I don't a little bit later on, because if you're at one of our local waterways tomorrow, especially in a small boat or something like that, please exercise some caution. It will be a bit gusty. Now, as we set future watch into motion, the clouds have filtered out by about lunchtime tomorrow, leaving us with a relatively calm pattern. Tomorrow is going to be very reminiscent of today in terms of some of those temperatures. Many places will be in the upper 50s. And here are those clouds moving through the Midlands early tomorrow morning, moving out by about lunchtime, leaving us with beautiful sunshine for the afternoon. People keep asking about whether or not it's a beach day. I know Jay on Facebook Live keeps asking me if it's going to be a good beach day tomorrow. Better than what we saw last week, right? A lot of sunshine, temperatures in the 60s here. Some of our warmest spots will be down near Hilton Head Island. If you have any flying to do, breezy conditions, gusting near 25 miles per hour could play a factor there. And if you're flying across places like, say Atlanta or Charlotte for a connecting flight or making the drive, that should be a reasonably nice day. Chicago, pretty cold up there, 22 degrees, not a shock for this time of year. However, if you're traveling to New York, D.C., or Philadelphia, it looks like you'll start off cloudy and then you'll progressively change from rain and then eventually to snow during the evening. So depending on when you might be flying there, keep in mind that the Northeast may not be the greatest travel destination tomorrow. As for the 7-day forecast, our coldest night looks to be Tuesday night along with Friday night going into Saturday morning. We will see a very light precipitation chance during the day, all rain on Friday, very low chances there, and then better chances late next weekend going into the start of next week. And this is a welcome sight, right? 63 degrees. Let's cross our fingers and hope that the atmosphere doesn't change its mind going into next week. But again, very cold nights this week and a lot going on, not just in the world of weather, but in the world of sports as well. Corey Miller's up next.